What's up, everybody? It's the Karate Kid. We out to Fort Lauderdale right now with my boy Zach. Zach, say what's up, bro.
What up? What up?
Yeah.
How's it going?
So, stay tuned for the vlogs. We're gonna go crazy. Yo, we need a margarita, don't we?
Absolutely.
At this point. So, what's up, baby? It's the Karate Kid. We're out in the Caribbean with my boy Zach.
So what's going on, guys? What's going on?
With Waco Team USA. Check us out, the USA Olympic team, and we're out and about. We just arrived, and stay tuned because things about to be crazy.
Dude, we got like a little.
Ooh, there goes your boy. Let's go.
Let it shine for what it's worth. To your way,
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your incredible cast here and the Caribbean Princess. Now, folks, we